Okay.
Yeah. So find the GB5. Find GB5.
Okay, now I'm going to double click on it. SAP Logon.
He's going to show you. Okay.
And it's starting
I see.
and running.
So just calling people.
Okay, we have now many things. So we are now running SAP. SAP Logon is running here at Rowan University. However, we are actually getting into the server housed in University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, right? But they are maintaining all these SAP servers, and we are paying about $10,000 to get an access to it. SAP itself, on average, if you want to run SAP, about $500,000, $50 million to $100 million you spend for SAP. It's a lot of money going into SAP. It's like SAP ERP is like you are checking your grade on self-service, right? So it's like a self-service, but not only your grade, but customer service, supply chain activities, logistics, and plant activities and productions. All these informations are being managed on this platform. That's SAP, right? And we are just dealing with only this production part. Okay. So now I'm gonna scroll down to GB5. Right here, GB5. You see that? Double click on it. And it brings up this Logon window. And if you look at the information again, so here, so I gave you information. Now client number is 604. So I'm going to type 604 here. And user ID, in our case, GBI 040, right? And I'm going to use GBI 80 for mine. GBI that's 080. That's my ID. And initial password is who are you PW, and it's case sensitive, so WHOORUPW. And then language, you can leave it blank. Click on this check mark, and you're going to log on. Now it's very important for you to type easy password and send it to you and write it down so that you don't forget it, because it's kind of very complicated to change your password. I don't want you to lose, because you try 3 times wrong, then you're locked out and you cannot change or log in. Okay? So please email it to yourself and write it down or take a picture of it. Please don't forget your password. Okay? So I'm going to use very easy password for myself. No, I can't. It's confidential. I logged on here, and here we go. I logged on. Okay. And Sandy gave us a welcoming message here from University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. Just click on green check mark, and we are ready to work. Okay. So I split the screen. My left side is SAP. Right side is my information about SAP. So I'm going to go through that. So at this point, let me give you just a quick idea what we are doing, and then I'm going to move on. Right. Bike. Okay, so we are working on Global Bike Incorporation, and this company has U.S. division and German division. And in U.S., you have Dallas, Miami, and San Diego, 3 plants, right? So plants operations. Now, we are making new products. Okay, we are going to make new finished bikes, and that can be deluxe touring bike and mass off-road bike and all that. And we are going to make 2 new finished products here. And also, we are going to make semi-finished product as well, right? So we are going to make them and produce them. And we are going to work with these accessories and raw materials. We need to work with raw materials to make any product. You need to source them and assemble them together. And that's going to happen here too. And we do have customers. In Philadelphia, we have Philly Bikes. And in major cities, they have customers. And they do have, in Germany, they have customers and vendors too. They're suppliers around the world, right? So Cincinnati, Edison, and Scottsdale, Miami, they have Dresden and Quallen. And in Germany, they do have vendors too. So they need to work with them. And all this information are actually entered into this database, and we just need to work with them.
Professor, how do I log in? Like, I can't do it.
You cannot?
No.
Did you fail 3 times?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Please.
Help me?
No,
It's like
that's
you are, you read it on the spot, I'll be back up. He said, oh, well. You want to show the record? Please? Yeah, I didn't do anything else. Okay. Group project construction. Group projects. I was not bad though. It's just me happy that. Social network. Facebook. And we our group plays and then finally decided not to see. All the time, but so like I not working this, come up with like 5 people. It was a list of some websites. So we picked some of the Nope. She. Yeah, she. That she finally checked out. Wow, she brought you guys up. Yeah, no, she don't care about stuff like that. I like her though. I'm excited. Like, it happens to take. She's stressed out. It's just right the page. Right the page. Yeah, 8 pages. What, 6 to 8 pages? That presentation 15 minutes. Presentations.
Yeah, right?
You can talk about how do you show this timing is unbelievable. It's the same days.
I don't know. I mean, I don't think she's
This exam semester, tests, Monday, Wednesday. It overlaps. Everything's the same.
Do you like these things?
He's alright.
I like him.
I like him.
Yeah.
I hate these teachers. Long. It sounds like it's like 20 pages per chapter.
Okay, so we are gonna create this product, and in reality it's much more complex, but in this case we are gonna simplify everything, and we are gonna assume that we have only 1 plant, 1 vendor, 1 customer, and 2 new products, 1 new sub-assembly, and 1 new purchase part. So only 1 thing we are dealing with in all these business processes. That's what we are going to do in this labs. And
yeah, I'm having an issue too now.
Okay, can I finish this one and then go back to you? Now, first of all, as you see in the document, it's over 200 pages, very long. and you are tempted to just go through all that by clicking. However, this is not mouse clicking exercise. I really hope you take the initiative to learn what is going on. So try to understand why we are doing this, so that if you are working with the real SAP later, you should be able to handle that. For example, when I visited Oki Data and Tech Data, many other places, they are using this software as it is. This one that you are using is the one that they are using. So you want to know how to use that. And we have 5 modules. Module 0 is just introduction. Module 1 is making mature methods for final product. First means final product, right? In German. FERT. FERT. You don't know? Have?
No, it doesn't.
That's a sub-assembly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
and then raw.
it's missing 2
Yeah.
letters.
ROS, ROH, that's a raw materials. So that's we are going to make this product in module 1. Okay, that's what we are going to do today. In module 2, we are going to create bill of materials. We are going to give information how to assemble them together. That's bill of materials. Once you do that, now we are going to go to lab 3. In lab 3, you're going to create forecast. Okay? Forecast can be bit complicated, and then production plan. We are going to create that there. Then you are done with the mandatory labs, right? And if you are willing, you can go on and do this mass production schedule on lab 4. That's extra credit, 5 points. I'm going to add to your exam grade. Now, lab 5 is analyzing and executing that mass production schedule. Then another 5 points I'm going to add to your final exam grade, or on the exam grade. That's what I'm going to do. So lab 4 and 5 are extra credits, and you have to finish lab 1 to 3. That's what I want you to do. You got it? Okay.
I logged in, and then it kicked me out. I tried to log me back in, it's like a invite.
Just remember, whatever you do, shouldn't save until it asks you. Because once it's saved, what do you not even gonna lie, there's no back. That's the one thing I learned very early. Don't save until it tells you to. Even when I was like working with it, don't ever save.
I like share
The Google Drive thing.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we have to check this place every 2 minutes. This is like the setup part. It's lab 0. I guess I can just jump into it. Yeah, I would probably just to make it.
Did you think you use your profile? Did you use your profile?
So it's just the settings. As I'm through technology and stuff. Like I did that, but it was already on the previous website.
You get extra.
I didn't realize.
That's okay, thank
Good.
There we go.
There is two
And I want them to show us next week where they are. Because that's pretty much it. I'm 99 before, and I'm not glad they defined it. I'm not going to torture myself.
I started to just which is transactional. So it's the best thing to talk about.